Are you a fashion designer or a beginner in fashion and you don't know how to fit a side pocket on a trouser or a skirt? Don't scroll. In this tutorial, I will be showing you the easiest way to achieve a neat professional finish. Let's get started. So the first thing you should do is to know the size of your pocket. So my own pocket is 13 by 7, like 13 by 7 on a fold. The length is 13, while the breadth is 7 on a fold. And we have 2 pockets. So the next thing you are going to do is to know where you are going to put your pocket on your trouser or skirt. So since I'm using 2 inches to fold my trouser, so I measure 3.5 down. And for my pocket mouth, I measure 7 inches down. Like from where, like you measure 3.5 inches down, then cut it exactly like that, like maybe with half inches or half inch, then measure 7 inches down, depending on the size you are using. Sure you get. Then the next thing is to take your pocket and sew it down like this, and make sure your material is right side facing each other, like material for the trouser and for your pocket. Make sure it's right side facing each other, and come down with 1 inch on your pocket. Is it come down or come up with 1 inch on your pocket, then sew downward to where you launch on your trouser. Then after sewing, this is what you should have. Then put a cut, like exactly where you cut on the trouser before you start adding the pocket to it. Just cut it just small like this. Just cut it exactly like this. Then after cutting, the next thing you should do is to flip the pocket inside, just exactly you see me doing in this video. Just flip it over like that, or flip it inside like that, and just wash what I was doing. Then after flipping it just like that, sew it exactly like this, and make sure the sewing is not too close to the tip of this cloth. What you are doing here is called top stitching. Just top stitching on it, don't mind me, I have got it. So just sew it exactly like this. So after sewing, this is what you should have. After sewing, make sure you trim all those excess threads away. Then the next thing you should do is to take the down part of the pocket toe, and sew it like this. Sew the right side just exactly like this. Sew it like this, so it will be wrong side facing each other. You are sewing the right side here, just so exactly the way you see me doing in this video. And after sewing, you turn it to the wrong side and you top stitch on it. Turn it to the wrong side just exactly like this, and top stitch on it after sewing. Just do it exactly the way you see me doing in this video. So after sewing, this is what you should have. Please don't forget to like this video, comment, follow, and share to friends. After top stitching, this is what you should have. Just wash the way I was doing my own. This is what you should have after top stitching on it. You can use a pin to just pin it down, just exactly you see me doing in this video. Just pin it down exactly like this. Pin the down part and the upper part of your skirt or trouser. Just pin it down exactly like that, and flip it over just like this. So what we are going to do now is to top stitch on that upper part, just to hold the pocket down. Just do exactly the way you see me doing. Just top stitch on it just exactly like this. We are done with this place. Then move to the down part and do the same thing. Don't forget to like, comment for more tutorial like this. Just do it exactly like this. So this is what you should have after sewing in, after top stitching on it. And don't forget to trim off your own thread as well. Can we see it? Can we see it? Here is our pocket. Can we see? Remove your pins. And here I have gone ahead to attach the second pocket to the trouser. Can we see it? This is very, very beautiful. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like, follow, and share to friends. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.